Hello everyone, this is my project on data science, that is independent analysis on Rotten Tomato movies. So movies are the very important to our lives for good entertainment, and most of the people research for top 10 movies and top best movies like that. The- So the top movie websites are like Rotten Tomatoes and IMDb will follow a procedure for the based on the reviews. And here I'm doing segment analysis on the Rotten Tomato movies here. And user wants most of the people will don't waste time for spending most of the time for searching for what they like or what they're not. So it will helpful for them whether the film is worth of the time or not. So here you can see that reviews will impact the customers or the users very much, and also the sentiments analysis is very important for that, and it will give the insights by automatically analyzing the movie reviews and separating them into tags like positive, negative, and neutral. So here you can see that the system is also enabled in the Rotten Tomatoes and the IMDb. So I'm dating Rotten Tomatoes data set here. That is the data set. These are the top 100 movies I have taken, and I'm performing sentiment analysis on all of them. And secondary data is all contains about the reviews and I here I'm importing the modules that is, those are like most about the modules are Selenium, Pandas, Chrome driver, and also the NumPy. Weather statement is also used for the this is used for the sentiment analysis, and beautiful soup for extracting the data. So when I'm coloring data, beautiful soup I'm using, and when I'm running this, you can see this title link. With this title link, I'm using a Selenium and Chrome driver to extract the reviews because there are in the inside of the links. And after that, I have uh, read the data set here. And with the Selenium and Chrome driver, I also have taken this data set that is movie name and review text. And here I'm processing the data set here. You can see the data description, like I'm counting mean STD, like minimum or maximum, like that. And here also I'm searching for any duplicate entries or not. So if there are any duplicate entries, it will drop off like that with the score. And here I'm describing it. Here I can exploratory the data analysis. So here these are the review counts for 100 ranked movies. So these are the set 1 to 10, 1 to 20 are the set, and 20 to 40 are the set. You can see the reviews here, and these are the rankings of the sets of 20 movies. Like there are 5 sets of 20 movies, right? So these are those. And here you can see the top 20 ratings here with the clear format. And here you can see the movies titles with their number of reviews here. Here you can see this is the highest graph. So that is from the Black Widow. Ooh, that is a Marvel movie. And also here you can see the ratings also, the score of the movie titles here. So it has the most views. Sorry, the mostly like these are the movies which are having the 100% success rate. And here you can see the sentiment analysis. Have implemented sentiment analysis here. So it will use the sentiment analysis for the movie reviews by critics and the audience and utilize them into predict the overall polarity by label phrases like a neutral, negative, and positive. So I'm using Vader sentiment analysis. So Vader, as I said, it maps the lexical caches of the emotional intensities. So if we give love, enjoy, glad, it's like a positive attitude. It will print like that. So I'm using naive-based classifier here. You can see that, and it is also used for. It is a very simple and powerful classification. And further, here you can see I'm giving if the score is greater than 0.5, it is a positive, and it is less than minus 0.5, it is a negative one. And if it is between minus 0.5 and between minus and plus 0.5, it is a neutral statement. You can see I'm giving you some of the random statements here. Bad movie it's a negative, and not bad movie is a neutral, and amazing movie is a positive sentiment. So I'm applying sentiment analysis on all the reviews and also implementing the score here. You can see the score here and also the analyzed review. After that, you can see I classified all the analyzed reviews in the separation of the positive and neutral and negative tabs. Here you can see these are all the positive reviews and with their review text here. And these are the negative reviews, you can say, and these are the neutral reviews. I classified them as like that. And here you also you can remove the text like special characters, numbers, and punctuations in the review text for easy sentiment analysis and for it will take less time for that. And also I'm removing words like the, wo, it is. See, you can see that it's even more like a freshman college tutor. You can see it a is removed. Seem more like a college freshman year. These are the enough for the sentiment analysis. And you can see this. This is the overall analyzed reviews for 100 all 100 movies. There are positive reviews more because there are the top 100 movies, and negative is less because of that. So I am using word cloud here. So the stop words for the positive reviews and stop words for negative and stop words for neutral ones. And after that, I have implemented the model testing here. You can see here I am using the training data more and testing the data is very low. I'm testing low and training more. And also, I also use a TF-IDFT transformer. And to categorize the sentiment of the data, I have implemented two methods. That is, one is multinomial naive based learning algorithm, and another one is learning approach based on logistic regression. So after developing that and analyzing those, you can see here I have given some statement here. You can see the negative prob and positive probability, and also the I also implemented the ROC curve, that is a receiver operating cache curve, which will illustrate the diagnostic ability of the binary classifier system. You can see that this is the true positive rate, this one, and the hot and true one is the false positive rate. And after that, I also implemented the precision recall and F1 score for my project. And here you can see the positive is 0.6 is the precision. And in these all, the negative recall is 0.8, that is the highest. And you can see the positive support is 99, that is very low, and negative support is 624, that is very high. And my total project accuracy score is 0.79, that is approximately 73%. And also here you can see the confusion matrix here. With this, you can see the positive, neutral, and negatives. These are the true label, and these are the predictor label here. You can see that. And this is the summary of the total entire project with while giving the title, view, and abstract goal of the project, approach, how I did it, what are the basic steps. Here you can see the retrieving data, reading, describing, pre-cleaning, exploring the data, and classifying, exploring, sampling data, and split training test, and building model of database and logistic regression classifier, and also evaluation model, that is accuracy and confusion matrix. So in the at the last, I'm taking in one movie and I'm searching for it. So it is giving positive reviews count and negative reviews count and neutral reviews count, and also it is showing the positive, the total number of positive reviews for that movie, negative reviews, and neutral movies reviews count. So I'm also giving the pie chart here. You can see that 61.7% is positive because this is a one rank movie in the year of 2021, but it is having 61% only the positive reviews. So I can also build a recommended system based on the sentiment score, and I can also apply techniques like BERT, word to wake, and to generate more personalized recommendations. Here, the my end goal is to web scrap the reviews, movie reviews from Rotten Tomatoes website, and perform sentiment analysis and analyze them. And also, I can also build a recommended system that is a future work. And here I put the references here. That is all about my project. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.